Today this YouTube lesson gonna be on the Spacy. So I'm gonna be teaching you how you can use Spacy in your NLP projects and how you can play around with this. So let's jump right into it. So first of all, you need to know how to install it. So if you got Windows and Linux or Mac OS, you can select and you can install with these commands here. All right, and after installing, you can go through quickly through this document, which actually support quite a bit of languages, but just be careful. The pipeline up here is not available for all the languages, as you can see. So just quickly go through on this document. It's very helpful. Now, right, just let's jump into this and see what I got for you. So I'm gonna be talking about the tokenization with Spacy. Tokenization is the process of splitting text into individual words, punctuation marks, and other meaningful element, called tokens. Tokens is basically the words, and it can be the special characters, such as dollar sign and exclamation mark, those kind of things. So Spacy provide an easy to use interface for tokenization. It's very useful for when you're applying RAG, into your projects for LLM. So now, blank language model, Spacy have this blank language model where you can use different languages, which I showed you previously. For example, here, all these languages you can pull out, through this blank, and I will show you one of the language, Hindi, which I selected for you guys. But let's focus on this now. So this include tokenization, but no other pipeline component, like entire part of speech tagging. So now look at this code here. So first of all, you need to import Spacy, and after downloading, which I showed you before. So if you run this command here, it's gonna break down this sentence, which I wrote down here, into tokens. So these tokens, you can use those into your LLM project. So Spacy is one of the tasks which you need to do. And then after that, you can access tokens via index, individual token via the index in the doc object. So you can run this command and it will give you indexing of all those tokens. So right now, token attributes, especially have various attributes, like alpha, like num, alphabet, like numbers, currency. So you can use that as well. And now you can explore various attributes of token, understand their properties, such as I got a sentence here: Tony gave $2 to Peter. So you need to type for token in doc. This is the doc. So in this doc, you are gonna print out all the different attributes, such as Tony. Index is alphabet, true. Punctuation, false. Like number, false. Currency is alphabet. Gave is again alphabet, true. Look at this dollar, alphabet, false. And if you look at the very last one, currency is true. So you can see what attributes your language have. So right now, extracting information, so you can extract email and all those kind of things. So for token in doc, if you got email, you can run this command. It will give you emails. So for example, here, I got here Virat, Maria, all those kinds. So from this paragraph, if I want to pull out just the email, I can get the email like this, as you can see, Sharapova and Williams. So those kind of emails you can get. You can chuck here, a big large information or data, and you can just pull out all the emails through there. Now it also, as I was talking about, I'll do some with Hindi. So you support multiple languages, as you see here. You got Greeks, Japanese, Korean, Russian, and Arabic, all different languages you can see, like Vietnamese. So up here, like as you can see, I got sentences here in Hindi, and then you can actually break down this into the tokens. So this is the token, and it's gonna tell you token is a currency. If you wanna just check, you can put whatever you want. You can put here token is alphabet or number. And it will give you the true and false according to the letter. So here I got these tokens here. If you're working in your own country with your local language which you speak, you can actually throw that here, and do that with your language. But just be careful. The pipeline is only available just for these languages. Just be careful what you're doing, and just make sure you read all these documents before you jump into your projects. So now just so segmentation you can do through here. For example, it's gonna break down all the sentences. I got two sentences. So like this sentences break down to two sentences here, and then after that, you can actually you know as I mentioned before, fetch out emails. Here I'm fetching out all the websites here. So and here you can do the same thing. You can grab out all the money, information, the financial information. So this is the final code which I gonna put on the git. So guys, please, if you wanna learn more, I'll throw this code on the GitHub, and my GitHub username is skaliya, SKALALIYA. So don't forget to give me a star, so I can keep making this good work for you guys. Thank you very much for watching again, and have a nice day. Bye bye.